To fix the problem where you cannot set up parental controls on the Google Pixel 11, first of all, as you can see right here, if I try to set up a pin for parental controls, it says that I cannot use controls since there's multiple profiles on my phone. So usually to fix this issue, first thing that you should try is go into the system of your phone and then look for the users. Make sure that you are the only user available for your phone. Delete any other user before you're gonna set up parental controls. The next thing that you can try is to enter security and privacy and then go down until we find private space, unlock your phone and then delete private space. Keep in mind that you will lose everything in your private space, so I would recommend to back up everything from there and then delete it. After that, we can safely go back to the parental controls setup and that way set up the pin. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.